Here's a scandal. So about a week ago, on the 13th of May, most iPhone users received a notification to update to iOS 17.5. And then not too long after that, a week later, Apple released another update, iOS 17.5.1, with this very upsetting description that said, "This update provides important bug fixes and addresses a rare issue where photos that experience database corruption could reappear in the photos library even if they were deleted." So it turns out that for some users, after updating to iOS 17.5, their deleted photos reappeared in their iPhones. And this is way past the grace period of 30 days that iPhone gives for users to restore their pictures. However, after a month, these photos are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Or so we thought. According to some users on Reddit, some photos were deleted years ago and then reappeared. Another user claimed that photos that were deleted back in 2016 have mysteriously come back. And some users even reported as many as 300 deleted photos reappearing in their gallery. But there was this one particular experience that completely upset me. So one user said that he had completely wiped his iPad and sold it to a friend. And then later that friend called him and let him know that his old pictures had resurfaced on his photo app. This is extremely upsetting and concerning because it means that any data like photos that we store on our iPhones never actually get deleted. And really, there's no such thing as permanently deleted. Apple has released an update, iOS 17.5.1, which is intent on fixing it, but still, an error like this is actually unacceptable. So if you haven't yet updated to iOS 17.5.1, then go ahead and do that as soon as possible.